Yes, always what is happening, and welcome back to a brand new video on the Audi S1. So, well, it's been a week, and it's felt like forever coming, because we've been waiting for brackets for the bumper, because we can't be bodging it. I don't want to bodge it, I want to make sure it's fitting correctly first time. So, without further ado, today, I'm not going to say I'm going to get on the road today, because I've said that last 3 or 4 videos, but today we're going to work on it, and hopefully get this ever step closer to being ready. And before you ask, a bird has absolutely destroyed this car. Look at the state of this. This is horrendous. Look at that. That must have had a bolty or something, mate, because that's a turd and a half, that is. Right, so literally this is a part of the rebuild series that I'm having to learn about and understand that how I structure things massively impact me, the car, and you lot watching at home. So next, previous, whatever car happens next, we're going to try and strip, order everything that we think we need. And what I'm definitely not going to do, here's a tip for you: if you're ever doing a rebuild on cars, do not throw away damaged stuff, because you potentially won't need them. I'm going to show you something in a minute that I got rid of but I actually needed, and obviously at the time you don't realise. But yeah, let's crack on with the video. Let's remove the headlights, remove the bumper, and then start from scratch. Right, so now the front bumper should just pull off like so. Sweet. This here is what we've been waiting nearly 2.5 weeks for. So I haven't been able to put the bumper back on. I don't want to be taking the car for an MOT with cable ties holding the bumper, wing, headlights together. So I want everything to support everything. So I hope you appreciate this, guys, because I said I don't want to bodge. So unfortunately I couldn't find these anywhere. So I bought, one of you sick Instagram followers sent me a message to a website, and they've got like every part going. So it's triple L parts. There's like schematics of the vehicle, so you can check the part numbers. You can copy and paste the part number onto eBay, see if you can find anything there. But yeah, here we have 2 brand new headlight bumper brackets. So I'm happy. Let's get them on the car. So as you can see here, so it locates in here, and then it slots into there. So the wing is supported by the bracket, the bumper slots in there, which is supported by this, and then the headlight sits on top, which bolts at the back of it. So we're all, oh man, that's proper, man. Honestly, like, I'm so happy that we're doing it properly. I could have cable tied shit together, and obviously it wouldn't have looked good for you lot seeing this. And obviously, at the end of it, we are going to be looking to sell this, so I'd like to think that we've put the right things in place to actually be able to sell this when it's all done. So yeah, let's just bolt this up now, put the headlight in place, and then I'll get back to you when it's bolted up, so let's go. Right, so we can play question and answer time. So, I said I didn't want to bodge anything. This isn't technically bodging anything, this is just a way of not affecting the structural rigidity or the safety or anything like that. This is something so small that 9 times out of 10, if I didn't show you this, you probably wouldn't know, you wouldn't really care. So obviously imagine this is fixed, yeah, so basically there's 2 like locating pins, and then there's like a big black clip that like goes up and locks. Unfortunately, in the event of the accident, it kind of broke. So here's my finger. Do I put a cable tie just around it, just to locate it so it doesn't move, or do we price up a new one and see how much a new one's going to cost? Comment down below. Should I buy a new one, or should we use this cable tie to tie it up? Comment down below, let me know. Right, so those 2 are cable, that one's cable tied in, as you can see. So just put one at the bottom around there holding it down, and then one there holding it up. It doesn't affect it in any slightest way, it just means that when I put the washers on, it will pop it up. I could buy a new one, but for now I'm not going to let that stop me from getting the car finished today. Right, so this is a bit of a faff. So what I've had to do is I've had to like fully undo these, because there's like a lock-in tab in there. These for some reason when you tighten the bolt up, these get bigger and bigger, so I can't work out what the hell's going on, because when I'm tightening the bolt up, it's like it's resisting and it's making this bigger, which goes up against that. So yeah, I'm just trying to lock these into place now. Put the bolt for the back of there, and then I just need to connect the headlight, and then there's also a water connector, I think. I don't know what that's for. Maybe a breather or something. Right, so stuff you don't really need, you actually need. So these are like brackets for the wings, because I found that the wings were like weren't sitting flush with the headlight, they were like trying to fray out that way. So obviously we've got brackets here. So I'm not going to talk about it too much, but just so you can get the brief kind of overview. So them were $35 each, and then shipping. And these were $28 with shipping. Like 100 and something quid, 120, 150 quid. So yeah, stuff you don't think you need, but you actually need. So this is where the price starts eating up, because the big things like headlights, wheels, bonnets, stuff like that, you kind of cater for, but it's little brackets like this that all add up, man. So yeah, it says, I think these are spot welded to the wing, but because I don't have a spot welder at the moment, and literally these are tiny, I don't think they're going to make the massive difference. I think it's literally just spot welded to the wing, and then it's literally nut and bolted to the like slam panel, kind of like lengthwise. I bought this the other day. So this is going to be for a temporary thing. I am going to buy a rivet gun and stuff like that, but I thought, mate, for 10 quid I've got like loads of nuts and bolts, so I'm just going to put one bolt in there. It's only like a little support bracket, so it doesn't do anything major, and then obviously after it's been painted I could just get a rivet gun and do it, but it just seems a waste to spend like 180 quid on a rivet gun. I know it's an investment, but it's not. If I was going to like replace the rear quarter and I needed like a rivet gun and stuff, then yeah, but I feel like it seems a bit of a waste just for that. So, put it in, put the bracket on. Actually ain't that bad, to be fair. Obviously they're brushed aluminium, so they look horrendous. But obviously if I could just get a rivet gun, I just need to unscrew them and screw new ones back in. But mate, the headlight needs pulling up just a little bit. Oh my god, do you know what? It don't actually look that bad, you know. I know obviously it's a different body colour, which is annoying, but there's no point in me lining it up too good just yet, because it's still got to be sprayed. So even like this bracket isn't even in properly, so I'm going to do this bracket up now, and then I've still got the one on the back of the headlight which I've got to do up, and then it's just about adjustment on the top, and then I might do this bracket up, do the other side up, and then put the bumper on, and then adjust the headlights according to the bumper, bonnet, if that makes sense. So yeah. Right, so the bumper is on and it's secured, and you know what, it doesn't actually look bad. It's still got to play around with it, because obviously the wings are not OEM, they're like remanufactured bits, so they might be out a few mil, but it ain't actually that bad, to be fair. Like, headlight gaps are pretty decent. This is obviously pulling out a bit. I think I need a plastic welder clip so I can pull that bit back in there. But all in all, yeah, it's not actually looking that bad. I think this is going to look absolutely sweet when it's all finished. Right, so you join me back from hopefully a microphone that actually works. I am so sorry. This is going to be like the last video where I talk about the situation and how it's actually going on, but I know that it does me in, because I wish there was more content in this, but it's difficult because I still want to post one video a week. I'd love to do 2 videos a week, you know, but I feel like I don't have the resources or the space to continue this. Like, it's so difficult. So this now, the steering is literally like this on the. But if it's driving straight, it's like that. So I'm getting a traction control light, and I'm getting a tyre pressure monitor sensor. Obviously, it's got 2 new wheels, so it's probably not registered to the car. We've got underneath the car, we've got the weather drop links / anti-roll bar. Is 2 bolts have snapped for that. I need to get them out somehow. I'm going to post a picture, put the picture on here so you can see it. I've got to get them out and then fit that up. It needs an alignment before an MOT, so that obviously it gets rid of the steering angle sensor, and then realistically it's just paint really, and then obviously I want to drive it for a bit. I'd love to take it to the ring, to be honest, but look, again, I'm thinking content, because I need to fix this, get it ready for the road, and then continue with the next project, you know what I mean? So it's really hard to kind of process it. If anyone has any ideas or anything, please comment down below, let me know your thoughts, because I really do appreciate you spending your time typing and letting me know what you think. But yeah, I'm going to show you the bumper, because not many people actually show you the actual result that you've actually got, do you know what I mean? So I want to show you the fitment and stuff, and let's go. Right, so here's the fitment. It is looking really nice, to be honest with you. So the wing, but bearing in mind this was the side that got hit, so this was the side with the damage. So the bumper has broke a clip here, so it is pulling out a little bit here, but it's actually like really good in here. Sweet. Not actually that bad. We've got a little crack here, but that can be plastic welded, not a problem. Even if we put a splitter on it, a splitter will just like secure that in place, make it a bit harder. Headlight, yeah, so just this bit is a bit, it just needs pulling up a little bit, so you can see. But yeah, but even that you would not think that's been in some sort of damage at all. I'll bring you on to the trusty Subaru as well. We have actually got a front end on it. It's in the garage, and that needs welding on, so literally it just needs the new one putting on, which is currently sat in the garage. Right, so I'm gonna literally, hopefully in the next video or two, this is deadly serious now, I want this finished. I feel like it's gone on for too long. Like, I want to try and do a different strategy, filming and creating the content, and even working on the car a bit differently, because it's taking too long, and I don't feel like there's enough value in a video to keep you watching, even though some of you hardcore subscribers watch everything, and I really do appreciate it. I don't want to post shit, but it is, I want to do more, but at the same time I like struggle in that sense, because like now I'm like, apart from the anti-roll bar, it just needs an MOT and then spraying, and content wise for you, there's not much in it, do you know what I mean? So this is where it may be time to, when it's done, sell it. I don't even know how much it's worth. 57,000 miles, Cat S, 430 brake. How much is it worth? Comment down below, let me know. And yeah, so get this done, focus on the Subaru, and then yeah, see where it takes us. So I'm going to leave you with it for this one. Hope you all enjoyed. I hope you don't comment and say, oh my god, all we did in this video was fit a bumper, but I'm just showing you it's not as simple as just fitting a bumper. There is different aspects to the bumper won't go on properly if the headlight's not in the right position, or the brackets. So yeah, hopefully I do want to show you more content, but for now this is the process we're on, and I appreciate you all, and thank you all for watching. So peace.